What are we doing today? I'll give you a quick walk around. This is a house that we bought a while ago and we raised it up and it never quite got finished. So now we're finishing it. So yeah, I'll give you a quick look around the work that we've done in the last few days. So plumbing is a big one. So I had to get the plumber to redo all the plumbing for toilet, bathroom, and then downstairs toilet here, and then we've added an ensuite upstairs into this area, so we've got toilet in this corner and a shower in that corner and a vanity and a floor waste there going into a stack. And then upstairs, so this is the ensuite that we've added, just framed in a wall, put a cavity slider in. This will be the shower here, toilet on that corner. Above the stairwell I built this cupboard. You'll have to kind of reach over the toilet to get to it, but anyway. Then this had a really big window in it, so we've framed all that back in and put a smaller window. There'll be a little tiny vanity there. This is Josh. He's sheeting our bathroom. So taking the whole bathroom back to studs. The bath was leaking badly. The shower was over the bath, and there's a linen cupboard here. So I pulled the linen cupboard out, put a shower here, just a freestanding bathroom vanity in that corner. Then this is the deck outside. So this actually was the main entrance to the house. There were stairs that went down here before. But in order to raise it and lift it up, I had to put blue board down the bottom. So to get this waterproof properly, I had to actually release the deck from the house, put the blue board up, and then put that pole plate back on and then reconnect the deck. So this decking all needs to get finished. And then the balustrading that was on here wasn't legal. It was too low, too many holes, everything. So we pulled all that off and we'll redo all the decking. Then this area up here used to be the kitchen. So the kitchen was here. That was the living room. There wasn't a stairwell there, so I've cut the stairwell in. We had this just as a living area upstairs, but I'm going to make it into a fourth bedroom. So we're just going to add a wall across here and put a door going that way. And then this will become another bedroom. Ensuite, we're going to frame in just across this area, two little wing walls on this side, and there'll be a walk-through, walk-in robe, or a walk-through robe to get to the ensuite. So yeah, that's what we've been working on. We're sheeting all the wet areas at the moment. We'll get a waterproofer in to waterproof them all, and then we can get tiling. And then downstairs, I'll flip the camera around. With all this new plumbing that's going in, you can see there's a bit of electrical hanging down and a bit all over the place. So we need to get the electrician in to tidy the electrical up. But then we're going to need to build bulkheads, so frame down and around all of this, and around this beam that we had to put into, because this had extra posts in here that we wanted to take out. So this whole area the ceiling is going to be stepped down in various places and up and down a bit all over the place. So yeah, there's still a bit of work to do here, but things are moving along. I hope you're having a great day, and God bless.